Hi there, students. Apparatus. A noun. I think it's probably more commonly uncountable, but some people do use it as a countable. Notice, as a Brit, I say apparatus, but an American would say apparatus. Okay, apparatus is a set of equipment or a machine that's used for a particular purpose. So, yeah, when I was studying chemistry, you have your apparatus to do a particular chemical reaction. You've got various different pieces of chemical apparatus. It's the equipment that you use. Or yeah, the fireman used his breathing apparatus to go into the fire. Notice, I think I would probably most commonly say a piece of apparatus as opposed to an apparatus itself. Yeah, this is a piece of apparatus that is used to do something. Okay, it's like an apparatus. It is like a piece of equipment. It's a piece of machinery. It's something that's needed for a particular purpose. Yeah, it's the equipment. Okay, so apparatus. I guess an apparatus as well is all of the things that are needed to produce something or to do something. So yeah, I wanted to go scuba diving, so I needed all of my apparatus, all of the equipment, all of the thing. You can then also use apparatus to talk about the bureaucratic organization of something. So the apparatus of state. Yeah, the apparatus of state is the civil service, is all of the things that go together to enable a government to govern. Yeah, so it's the political organization. Yeah, which means that something actually works. You could have the apparatus of an underground political movement as well. But primarily for me, apparatus, the technical equipment, the machinery needed to do something. And then the structure of a particular organization, all of the bits put together. The apparatus of the community, of the Communist Party, the different levels, the organization of a party. But a piece of apparatus, an apparatus for measuring temperature is a thermometer. Yeah. What's the name of this word? The apparatus to measure the density of a liquid. I can't remember. Somebody will give it to me though. Okay, so an apparatus, equipment. What you use to make something work. The apparatus of an organization. It's the structure and the method of operation. Yeah, the bureaucratic apparatus of state is nowadays so big that it's difficult to find your way through it. Yeah, but breathing apparatus, chemical apparatus, the apparatus of government. I guess the digestive apparatus, yeah, the equipment we use to digest is part of ourselves. Firefighting apparatus, the apparatus necessary to make a film. This is an apparatus to keep the product dry. Yeah, it's a machine or a way of doing something. Okay, so what about formality? Apparatus. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 or 6 in formality, but I think you can use this word apparatus just about anywhere. And let's see, it comes from the Latin word apparatus, from appareo, add, towards, and paro, prepared or provide. So apparatus, towards being provided, towards being prepared. Yeah, so the things that you need to effectively make ready in order to do something. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Apparatus.